In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a SharePoint Excel file to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to confirm and understand the connection inside Power BI. So your report reliably pulls data from a SharePoint-hosted workbook. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI on your computer. If you're using the desktop app, make sure you're signed in with the same organizational account that has access to your SharePoint site. This helps avoid permission prompts later and ensures your data can refresh smoothly. Next, open your report. This is the Power BI file where you want the SharePoint-based Excel data to live. If this report already contains queries, we're going to inspect them. If it's a fresh file, these same steps help you understand how the connection is represented once you've brought data in. At the top of the window, click the Home tab. The Home ribbon is your central hub for data tasks, and it's where we'll jump into Power Query, the engine that shapes and connects your data behind the scenes. Click Transform Data. This opens the Power Query editor, where every connection and transformation is listed in a transparent, step-by-step way. Think of this area as the control room for your data. It shows where your data comes from, how it's being cleaned, and how tables relate to one another. Inside Power Query, click Advanced Editor. The Advanced Editor displays the M code that defines your query. Don't worry if you're not a coder, we're just going to read it. This view is invaluable because it shows the exact source of your data in plain text, including the connector used and the SharePoint path. Now look for the source step at the top of the script. This is the line that tells you where Power BI is getting the data. For SharePoint, you'll typically see functions like SharePoint.contents or SharePoint files with a secure HTTPS address pointing to your SharePoint site. Sometimes you may see web.contents referencing a direct Excel file URL stored in SharePoint. What you want to confirm is that the URL matches your organization's SharePoint site and that it points to the correct library and folder where your Excel file lives. If you're expecting a cloud connection but you see a local file path, that's a sign the data isn't truly coming from SharePoint. A few quick tips as you review. Keep your query names descriptive so you can recognize sources later. Ensure the URL uses HTTPS, and verify that your account has permission to the file. A correct SharePoint link helps enable scheduled refresh in the Power BI service without a gateway, which is ideal for cloud-based workbooks. That's it. You opened Power BI, opened your report, went to Home, chose Transform Data, opened Advanced Editor, and checked the source to confirm the SharePoint Excel link.